Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐵𝐞 again. I've got here a nice little Hijet Deck van, very nice, clean, well presented car. Still got the original hubcaps, they've not been damaged or taken off. Good little tyres on it, bodywork's nice and clean. You can see this is a half van, half pickup, so you drop that back down there. You've got a pickup back there, you can put whatever you want in there. Even an animal can have a ride in there, or people, depends on the, how crazy you want to be. The bodywork you can see down the side here, it's all nice and clean, no damage or dents. Headlights nice and clear, all the glass is good. Very clean and tidy car, not been abused or used hard at all this. In the back it's got this bench seat, 2 people can really sit, 3 kids maybe can fit in there, and then 2 seats in the front. It's got dual airbags, one on the steering wheel, one on the dashboard over there. It's a manual transmission, 5-speed, 660cc engine. It's got switchable 4-wheel drive. Press the 4-wheel drive button there, you see light comes on the dashboard, 4-wheel drive's engaged now. 5-speed manual, got air conditioning, heater, all enclosed the cab so you can keep warm, cool, dry, whichever. Very useful, interesting little car. You can lift these up, put some off-road tyres on them, and they're quite capable off the road as well. So hope this is interesting. Thanks for watching the video. This car is on its way to the States. As you can see, the shipping paper in the window there. It's going to be leaving very soon. If you're interested in this vehicle, something like this, or you think you can make some money by selling these vehicles yourself, contact us, 𝐷𝐴𝐚𝐺𝐼𝐚𝐼, have a look on the website, and there's plenty of information about doing all those 3 things. I hope it's been interesting, and thank you for watching.